Hey everyone, it's your girl here. How you living? How you living? I hope y'all are having a great day. I wanted to come and share with you a new digital. As soon as I find it, I took it down because there it is. A new digital I created. This was requested to make. I was super happy to do it. It turned out so much better than I expected. So I am going to share that kit with you right now. So this is a Peacock kit. And I hope this isn't upside down. It don't look like it's upside down, but you never know. Never know about me, y'all. Okay, so here is one of the ephemera sheets. Now for mine, I just printed them off on printer paper because, excuse me, because I'm out of cardstock. So these will get backed on to colored cardstock, which will be perfect for this kit because it is a colorful kit. Now, as you see, different backgrounds for the belly bands. These would be great to put on edges of paper. It'd be great to back with fabric. Whatever you can, wherever your imagination goes, you can use this and create any kind of thing you want. Even bookmarkers, which I think they'll make beautiful bookmarkers. So there is one sheet. Now, let me tell you, this is a 26 page kit. There is, I don't know how many journal pages, 20, I think. 20 journal pages and 6 ephemera sheets, I believe is how it goes. Anyway, this is a huge kit. So these are the belly bands, bookmarkers, whatever you want these to be. That's what you can use them for. I'm thinking about backing them onto fabric and creating some kind of a collage tuck or a collage belly band. That's what I'm kind of thinking about. I don't know yet, but as soon as I do, I will share it. Here is another one of the ephemera sheets. I absolutely love this. You have the Love Earth. I had to put that in there, you guys. Because we're talking about peacocks. And, it just kind of seemed to match. And it's cute. So, I did these little belly bands or whatever you want them to be with that beautiful peacock there. I did this little flower burst, that's what I'm calling it, with the peacock, a butterfly, and then a, what do you call it? Oh, I don't know, a swatch. That's what we're going to call it. I actually forget the technical name for it. Brush. This brush piece here. It's very cool. I love it. And, it's just different from anything that I've really done before, except for the butterflies in this here. And then I decided this would be awesome to make some flowers. These are so cool. I could see these, cut these out, back them on a doily with some cheesecloth, or do like cotton balls, tear it apart. When I go to make these, I'll do a video so you can see what I'm saying. But layer these up. They're going to make gorgeous flower embellishments for your journal. So, and I'm thinking about just making a bunch of these little flowers and putting them in a shop as a digital print, of course. But these are, I absolutely love these, just beautiful. And it's just, someone's got peacocks, most of them is just peacock feathers. I think they're beautiful. Here's some tags. Now my tags are always different. I like making round and oval tags. These are just the rectangles with the different peacocks in it. It is backed. I did put a paper behind it to kind of give it the look that it has. Now these here you can easily print on tea-dyed paper. That would be very pretty and really vintage it up a little bit, but I didn't want to do that. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I think sometimes a colorful kit is just what the doctor ordered. So that's what I kind of went for with this kit. Now here is the background pages. I love this kit. Here is just some peacock feathers. I don't have a borderless printer, so I always get the border. I'll worry about one of them printers when the time comes. So this is really pretty. Here is another one with the peacock feathers. Peacocks are beautiful birds. I absolutely love them. I love birds anyway, but I have to say peacocks is one of my favorites. Here is another one. Now, I could see this going along the lines of maybe a kind of a boho feel to it. Yeah, that would be really cool, I think. I might go down that road. I don't know. Don't know what I'm going to do, but, you know, I'm definitely going to create with this kit. Oh, there's another ephemera sheet. These are the little pockets. I knew I had pockets and other ephemera pieces. So here are the pockets here. Some postcards, 2 different postcards. I love the peacocks. I think it's just absolutely beautiful. Alright, back to the background pages. It says, in order to be replaceable, one must always be different. That is Coco Chanel. You guys know I love my girl Coco. So, you know, I just love that saying, so I thought I could put that in there. Be your own unique self. That reminded me of, I can't even think, you guys. I can't think. Paula. I wanted to call her Mary, but her name's not Mary. Paula is just a sweet lady. Most of you know her. She's over on Facebook. She was helping Esme with Crafty Me Shop. She has always encouraged me just to be myself. Do you? And when I go to doubting myself, y'all, I think about that. So I had to put that in there because it reminded me of her and something she constantly is telling me in the back of my head as I go to create digitals or whatever, just to be you. So be your own unique self had to go in this kit. Another beautiful page here, a little bit of a misprint. Good thing I'm cutting that off. Beautiful. I love the blue. I love the purple coming through. Here is another one. For real, this is just a gorgeous kit with beautiful colors. And anytime there's any hint of purple, you know I'm for it. I'm all about it. Here is this one. It's got that pop of yellow coming through, which I think is kind of cool. Yellow isn't my thing, but yellow is a lot of people's thing. But for this, it works. It makes me happy. And I just really love that pops of yellow and purple and the greens. It's absolutely beautiful. So that was not a misprint. It was supposed to be that way. Here is another page with the peacock feathers. I love how abstract it looks with, you know, the different colors going through, the greens, the dark blues and blacks, and just absolutely cool. I really am digging that. This one here, of course, you have the purple, blue background and the peacock feather. It looks like little diamonds out throughout there. Absolutely beautiful. Love it. Here's one with the brown background and the peacock feathers. You got a little touch of green coming through, a little purple. Very pretty. Now here's one. I don't know if you can see the peacock. Here's a peacock here and here's one here. Absolutely, I'm digging this sheet. I love this page. This would be beautiful to make into like a little pocket or an envelope or something. You know, I'm sure it's doable. But yeah, absolutely beautiful. I love that peacock. Here's a green one. Of course, you got the peacock feathers. You can never go wrong with it. Here's another one. It's got the yellow and the blues coming through, the peacock feathers. Just absolutely loving this. Now, to let you guys know, this kit was requested by a artist. And this artist is absolutely amazing. She inspires me. And I just love the fact that she's like, hey, would you do this? And can you put this in there? Absolutely, 100%. So the artist that requested this, if you are watching this video, please, please, please send me your information, because this kit is yours. This is your kit. So, just wanted to make sure I put that out there. I did send you a message back. So, I can't wait for you to get this kit. If you need me to print it out for you, hit me up. I got you. Just let me know. So, this page is absolutely, I love it. The peacock feathers, the little ornaments on the side, the peacocks, the script writing, and then the black and white leaves and stuff coming through here on the edges. Very pretty. Here is another one. You got the white peacocks, which was something that she wanted, and I was so happy to oblige her. You got the black peacocks in the back, the white in the front, script writing. Wild is my favorite color. Peacocks symbolize new beginnings and eternal life. Absolutely love that. So I had to put a little writing on this. Just a little. Just a little. Here is the blue script writing again in the back. I love script writing. I just think it adds that extra touch of awesomeness to any digital kit or anything that you make. I don't have a script stamp, I don't think. I could be wrong. 9 times out of 10 I'm wrong. But to make it digital, I love the script writing in the back. And then I added the black and white peacocks. I thought it just added a beautiful touch to it. On this one here, I love these peacocks. It says, be a peacock in a world of ducks. And here, wife it in when you were born to stand out. Love that one. There's nothing love can't heal and captivate your inner beauty. Of course, with these beautiful peacocks on here. I'm all about that. Love those sayings. And I love adding inspirational quotes and stuff. You know, whether it be mine or whether it's something I've heard or something I've seen on the internet. I love to add it to my digitals. Nothing wrong with a little inspiration. And, you know, I'm all about trying to help build people up. And this is just another way to do it, is to add inspirational quotes into my digital kits. This one here, this beautiful white peacock on each side. You got the pink coming through. You got some black there in the background. Absolutely beautiful. Again, this is one of my favorite kits. I absolutely love it. Here's another page. You got the blue peacock. These beautiful feathers. Absolutely stunning. Again, with the script and the black and white foliage in the back. Just really makes this pop and stand out and say, hello, look at me, I think. And that is the last page of the Peacock digital kit. I hope you guys like this kit as much as I do, and as much as I enjoyed making it. It was really a lot of fun. It took me a few days, you know, a little bit of time to create this, and you know, I just wanted it to turn out just right. And I think it did. So, anyway, you guys, if you're interested in this, again, this is 26-page journal kit. It's over in my Etsy shop. You'll find that link down below in the description box. If you do get this kit, please tag me in what you make. I would be so excited just to see what you create with it. I know it will be absolutely amazing, and to see your take and all. So, anyway, guys, I'm up off here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. I'm hoping to get more videos out. Like I said, I'm doing this a different way now. So, hopefully, it'll be a lot better than the last video I tried to upload that took 48 hours to upload. Crazy, I know, but that's satellite internet for you. So anyway, guys, I'm up off here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, goodbye, God bless, and I'll see y'all again soon.